FreeCAD versus OpenSCAD, which 3D CAD tool is better? Choosing the right 3D CAD software can transform your design workflow without frustration. FreeCAD offers a visual interface, while OpenSCAD focuses on script-based modeling. FreeCAD and OpenSCAD are both powerful 3D CAD tools but differ fundamentally. FreeCAD is a parametric, GUI-driven program, while OpenSCAD uses a scripting language to create models. This core difference shapes how designers approach 3D modeling in each tool. FreeCAD is an open-source parametric 3D CAD modeler designed for a broad range of applications, from mechanical engineering to product design. It features a graphical user interface where users build models by creating and modifying shapes interactively. Parametric modeling means you can adjust parameters at any stage, and the model updates automatically. FreeCAD supports a modular architecture with workbenches tailored for different tasks like part design, assembly, and drawing. Its strengths include versatility and intuitive interface for beginners and extensive file format compatibility. However, FreeCAD can have a steeper learning curve for complex assemblies, and its performance may lag with very large models. It's ideal for users seeking a visual, flexible CAD environment with parametric control, especially those transitioning from traditional CAD software or wanting a multi-purpose tool. OpenSCAD is a script-based 3D CAD tool focused on creating precise models through programming. Instead of interacting with graphics, users write code in a domain-specific language describing the geometry and transformations. This approach provides exact control over design parameters and enables reproducibility by editing the source code. OpenSCAD excels at creating mechanical parts, custom components, and models that benefit from a programmatic workflow. Its strengths include automation, version control compatibility, and the ability to generate complex shapes with concise code. However, it lacks a traditional graphical interface, which can be challenging for users unfamiliar with coding. Real-time visual feedback is limited compared to GUI-based software. OpenSCAD suits engineers, developers, and makers comfortable with scripting who want precise, parametric models without manual interaction. FreeCAD and OpenSCAD offer distinct experiences. FreeCAD's visual interface allows quick exploration and adjustment of designs, ideal for iterative workflows and users who prefer direct manipulation. OpenSCAD's script-driven method shines in scenarios requiring exact parameterization, automation, and easy sharing of design logic. For example, FreeCAD is great for product designers refining shapes visually, while OpenSCAD fits engineers automating batch part generation. FreeCAD supports assemblies and complex multi-part projects more naturally, whereas OpenSCAD relies on code structure for managing complexity. Performance-wise, OpenSCAD handles simple to moderate models efficiently, but can slow down with very complex scripts. FreeCAD may struggle with very large assemblies, but offers more design flexibility. Choosing between them depends on whether you prioritize hands-on modeling or code-based precision. Choose FreeCAD if you prefer a visual, parametric CAD tool with broad functionality and modular design, especially for interactive and complex projects. Opt for OpenSCAD if you value precise control through scripting and want to automate design processes with reproducible code-driven models. Both tools excel in their domains, so selecting one depends on your workflow style and project needs.